In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Apple Card from Goldman Sachs to NerdWallet. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to nerdwallet.com. Once the site loads, sign in to your NerdWallet account. Make sure you're using the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one financial profile. It's also a good idea to do this on a private, secure internet connection, since you'll be connecting a financial account. After you're logged in, go to your dashboard. This is where NerdWallet gives you an overview of your linked accounts, balances, and recent financial activity. On the dashboard, look for the option that says link an account or add account. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on what version of the site you're seeing, but both options will take you to the account connection process. Click that option to begin adding your Apple Card. You'll be taken to a search area where you can look up your financial institution. In the bank search bar, type Goldman Sachs, Apple Card. As you type, matching results may appear in a drop-down list. When you see the correct option, select it carefully so you're connecting the right account provider. Next, enter your login credentials for the Apple Card connection when prompted. Be sure to type your information exactly as required. Depending on your account's security settings, you may also be asked to complete an authentication step. This could include entering a verification code, approving the sign-in through a trusted device, or following another security prompt. Take your time here and complete each prompt carefully, since this step is what allows NerdWallet to securely access and sync your card data. Once authentication is complete, NerdWallet will begin syncing your Apple Card transactions. This process may take a few moments, so don't worry if the information doesn't appear instantly. After the sync finishes, you should be able to see your linked card details and recent transaction activity on your dashboard. If the account doesn't connect right away, double check that you selected Goldman Sachs Apple Card and that your login information was entered correctly. In many cases, simply retrying the connection resolves the issue. And that's it. Your Apple Card should now be linked to NerdWallet, making it easier to track transactions and monitor your finances in one place.